Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 16. Today we learn exception handling in Python. We will catch, raise, and handle errors. Try and accept catch errors before they crash. Each exception type handles a specific error. The else clause runs when no error occurs. Let us create error_basics.py. Dividing by 0 raises zero division error. Converting a string to int raises value error. Multiple except blocks handle different errors. The loop tries each item with two except clauses. Exception as E catches any error with its message. The else block runs when try succeeds. This pattern prevents the program from crashing. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Zero division error was caught in the first block. The loop handled both zero and string errors. Else printed the converted value for 42. Finally runs cleanup code whether or not errors occur. Raise creates exceptions when input is invalid. Nested try blocks handle errors at different levels. Let us create error_handling.py. Finally always runs, even after an exception. The else block runs only when try succeeds. Try, except, else. Finally is the full pattern. We test with both 5 and 0 to see both paths. Validate_age raises value error for bad input. The caller catches the error with a try block. Nested try blocks handle outer and inner errors. The inner, except, catches index errors separately. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Finally printed closing resource both times. Age 25 was valid, but -5 raised an error. The inner try caught the missing third user. Let us build an input validator with custom exceptions. Custom exceptions extend the exception class. Batch processing collects all errors at once. Let us create input_validator.py. ValidationError is our custom exception class. Validate_email checks for @ and dot. Validate_age checks the type and range. IceInstance verifies the input is an integer. Validate_password requires 8 characters and uppercase. The any function checks if any character is uppercase. Lambda wraps each call so we can loop through tests. Each test runs inside a try except block. Batch validation collects valid users and errors. Each user is checked for email and age together. Let us review the code with BAT. Now let us run the input validator. Three validators each caught their specific error. Bob failed email and Charlie failed age check. Alice and Diana passed all validation checks. Let us recap exception handling. Try and except prevent crashes from errors. Finally, always runs and raise creates errors. Custom exceptions make error handling specific. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore modules and imports.